Hello dear students, our next question is question number second, exercise 1.2, question number second. Question number second is said, find out the LCM and HCF of the following. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into SCF is equals to product of the two numbers. Okay, so according to question, there is given find out LCM and HCF. Find out LCM cross HCF is equals to product of given numbers. Okay, so at that time in this question number second, first we find out LCM, HCF and product of numbers, and after that we can check it, and it is true, then it is verified. Okay, write it verified. So first given numbers are, question number second, first the numbers are given, numbers are 26 and 91. 26 and 91. Okay, so let's get solution of this. First do prime factorization of 26 and 91. So what is the prime factors of 26 and 91? 26 and 91. Okay, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 13 1 ja, 13. This one is going by through only a 7. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 13 1 ja. Okay, and that write it prime factors of 26 is equals to 2 into 13. Prime factors of 91 is equals to 7 multiplied by 13. Okay, then now LCM of, this is another part, LCM of 26 and 91 are 91 is 2 into 13 into 7. What is the LCM of this? This is going to be calculation. After that we got 182 after the solution of this LCM. At the time I will not tell you what is the exact how to find the LCM, because you know that in your earlier classes. That is where, okay, to do it here by self. And then after HCF of 26 and 91 is, there is only common number is 13, that is where HCF is only a 13. So let's check our next thing is that, okay, I will erase it, and you have all these things are as in the form of records. So please go to previous section if you write in your copy and check it. I will directly solve it. Only write here according to question given here. According to question, LCM cross SCF is equals to product of numbers. Okay, so let's say LCM is 182 multiplied by HCF is 13. Product of numbers, the given numbers is 26 multiplied by 91. Okay, let's check. It is when we multiplied these things, we got 2366, and this one is also given us 2366. That means it is verified. Question number 2. Question number second, third. Do it by yourself. Same to same according to this concept. Okay. Next question is number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. It is very easy. At the time in this question we are applying prime factorization method and got lots of prime number as the factors or multiplication of the numbers. Okay. In this find out करना है हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे. In question number 3, find out LCM and HCF both of given numbers. Okay, so what is given numbers? First, I will teach you only one question from this. Question number 3. First, find out LCM and HCF of 12, 15 and 21. 12, 15 and 21. Find out LCF and LCM of these numbers. So let's solution. Let's write here solution. Prime factors of, so first find out prime factors of 12, 15 and 21. Okay, so what is the prime factors of 12, 15 and 21. Okay, so let's find out the prime factors of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3 1s are. These are the prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 15. 3 5s are 5 1s are. Next 3 7s are 7 1s are. Okay, these are the prime factors of these three numbers. So write it 2 into 3. This one 3 into 5. Please ensure that the numbers will be on the orders. 3 into ascending orders. Okay, and write it more properly. 2 the power 2 multiplied by 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 5. 3 into 7. Okay, this is more appropriate. Let's erase it and find out LCM. First, LCM. What is LCM of 12, 15 and 21? So what is the LCM of 12, 15 and 21? In LCM we take not repeat numbers. We take numbers only one time. Okay, just like here 2 the power 2 so we get to the power 2. 3 is common in all these three, that is we taken only 1. 5 and 7. These numbers are LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Okay, so let's say 12, 15 and 21. So we got a, when we multiplied it, we got 420. This is the multiplication of LCM. So LCM is 420 and HCF is of 12, 15, 21 is 420 and is, let's find out, in which the highest common factor 3, 3, 3 is the common in all these threes, that is where the 3 is the 3 only is a HCF of 12, 15 and 21. Okay, dear student, it is solved completely. Next question is question number 4. It is very easy. Question number from the third, and question number third one is I explained you. Second and third, do it by yourself by through this concept. Next question is given that question number 4. Question number 4, given that HCF 306, 657 is equals to 9. Find LCM 306 and 657. जो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है HCF of 306 and 657 is 9 and find out करना है हमें LCM of 306 and 657. So I'll get the solution by through my some explanation. Solution. What is the solution? We know that from the previous question, we know that what we know before this question, we have one concept. It is known as LCM cross HCF is equals to product of numbers. Okay, so it by through this concept we can find out our answer by through this one. So how will we check? Here given 9 HCF is given, LCM is unknown, and we know that product of numbers. Okay, so let's LCM को don't change the place of LCM, change the place of HCF when HCF is going on this side, it's become divide of product of numbers. Okay, product of numbers divided by HCF. When this one is going this side, it becomes divide of product of numbers. Okay, so in this time, first erasing some numbers. So first write it here. Product of number is 306 multiplied by 657. Given HCF is given 9. Okay, 9 is given here. So that means LCM is 306 Okay, today is very hot day here, so I'm getting sweating. So don't be stressed about it. So let's check how this number is solved. This is solved by through the when we cancel it. 9 this is cancelled. LCM is equals to 306 multiplied by 657 divided by 9. Okay, so this is cancel out. First erase it from the downwards. When we cancel it, 9 3 is 27 and 9 4 is 36 and multiplied by 657. Though we get the number is 22338. 22338 is the final answer of this. That is why LCM is equals to 22338 is our answer of this question. Okay, dear students, this is the final answer of this question. Next we proceed to the next question. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay, here given question number. What is the question number? Question number is fifth. Given number is 6 power n where n is an natural number which is 1 2 3 4 up to so on infinity, any numbers. Okay, so when any number ends with 0 so that it has prime factor of 2 cross 5. Okay, when any numbers end with 0, that means the number has 2 multiplied by 5 because it gives us 10, at least 1 0 for, and you want to more zeros, that means 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied 2 multiplied 5, it's given 00. Okay, means that any numbers when end with 0, it has prime factorization of 2 and 5, at least 1 0 for 1 0. So let's check. 6 the power n has prime factor of 2 or 5 or not. It has 2 multiplied by 3 the power n. Therefore 6 the power n is never end with 0. This is our answer. Okay, dear students, thank you so much for this. Next question is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Okay, so I will not I will. Before the starting of this exercise, I have teach you what is composite number. Composite number means that the numbers has more than three factors, or more than two factors, at least more than two factors. It is known as composite number. That means if when here I will give you the solution of first, do second, do it by yourself. Question number 6, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Let's say this number, when we solved it all, we got one number. Okay, so the question is asked, this number is a composite number or not composite number. If it is composite number, that means it has a more than two factors. Okay, so let's say first to find out, it is from the shortly 7 into, there is 13 and 13 are common, so please put it outside. 7 11 into 1 plus 1. Okay, let's say 13 into 77 plus 1, 13 78 into 1, means that the factor 1, factor 2 and factor 3. That means this number is a composite number. Okay, so do it yourself. See what is this number, and next one is do it your by self. Cause for the guidelines for the question 7. Okay, in this question, the both are meeting at, find out the two numbers of LCM. Okay, the LCM, the numbers when we got when you got LCM of these two numbers of 18 and 12. Okay, so this is your final answer, and this is after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point. Find out yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video.